Good evening, and in this audio, I will be talking about, or I will be giving you a healing meditation, a guided visualization for your root chakra. We are continuing our workshop, Your Seven Chakras, the complete guide to your energy body. Welcome to the root chakra clearing and energizing meditation. We do this meditation to strengthen your roots, to help you feel more connected with the earth and with yourself. We do this to help get out of your head and to help you feel safe and get you into your body. From a young age, many of us have felt unsafe to truly be here and now in the present moment in a physical body and to feel what that feels like. This root chakra meditation will help create greater safety and relaxation inside your body. It will strengthen your ability to set healthy boundaries for yourself and stay grounded in the midst of a crazy world. This meditation will also increase the reserves of your energy, your personal power, and build your inner strength to help you be more of a warrior in the face of life's fear and obstacles. Go ahead and find yourself a good place where you can meditate your sanctuary. Turn off all distractions, including your cell phone, your laptop, and most of all, your own mind, and any worries or concern which might keep you from being fully present with yourself during this process. Ensure that your shoulders are stacked upon your hips, vertically aligned with your neck, relaxed, and your head resting squarely upon the center of your torso. Remember that your chin should be slightly tucked, creating space in the neck and the back of the spine. And you should be extending the top of your crown to the heavens. Our intention for this meditation is to strengthen and heal your root chakra, bringing more energy, freedom, and power into your life. As you express in the world as you want, dry in a deep breath. You let it go. Take another deep breath in and let it go. Draw another deep breath in, and as you let it go, find your natural rhythm as the breath rises and fall at a slow and steady pace. As you go inwards, allow yourself to feel good that you have actually taken the time and had the discipline to sit down to do this life-giving practice. And as you observe the rise and fall of the breath in and out of the body, notice any tension. Just notice it in your legs or are on your shoulders, and whenever you find the tension, simply breathe, then keeping your attention on that area where you're finding the tension or the stress or the pain. So keep your attention on that area of the body without needing to fin it, and notice how simply, slowly the tension will dissolve. Imagine a grounding cloud dropping down from the bottom of your spine into the earth. Visualize the light connecting you to the very center of the earth. Your body is heavy and you feel safe and grounded. You are resting in the earth. Allow yourself to let go of the conscious mind. Let yourself expand and become aware of all the sensations around you. Now bring your attention to the base of your spine, the center of your root chakra. Bring your attention to your legs, for these are the implementation of your root chakra. Do you notice any tension in your calves or on your hamstrings or your thighs or your knees or your ankles? Simply breathe, then slowly and deeply with your attention in this area of your body. As we prepare to open, heal, and cleanse your root chakra, begin to visualize a bright red flower opening at the base of your spine. And like the petals or the petals of a rose, this root chakra receives energy from the earth and creates your physical grounded presence. Imagine this red light, this warm, starting at the base of your spine, growing stronger and stronger. There may be many things stored from your past. You may find a primal fear, perhaps a fear that you have felt since you were a child. You may feel unsafe, or there may be feelings and beliefs that you need to look to the others to keep you safe by doing what they say. You may have a hard time creating boundaries for yourself in life and saying no and then going after what you or what they want from you. There may be beliefs stored in your root chakra that you are a victim in a fear of circumstances, whatever it is now. That all of this can be healed and cleared as you take back your power. Now visualize the red bright color of your root chakra glowing even stronger. And you notice that as the red light expands from the base of your spine, you feel as though some of the old beliefs, pattern on fears that you have hold unto are simply falling away as your concerns for basic survival disappear and turn into move, strengthen or strength, grounded and even present, knowing that you are safe with each breath. Watch this chakra becomes even stronger and you fill yourself with this primal power, releasing any of the attachments you have had to being a victim, to making excuses and sabotaging yourself from your true path in life. With personal responsibility comes the power of the root chakra, taking full ownership of your choices because you are creating your life with each breath, feeling a strong, new found energy and the base of your spine. Also notice you are pulling back your power from any person, place, or thing. You may have given it away to feel the expansion of your courage, your willingness to go beyond your fears and to engage with life head on. Feel yourself present, strong, and command. Choice for personal responsibility, knowing and committing to discipline, what you choose to put in your body, how you choose to exercise, and how you live your life. Visualize the bright red petals of the root chakra strong in a vibrant on your next breath, and fill yourself with gratitude for the transformation that is happening in your life right now. Let yourself be knowing that the healing and empowerment has already taken place and is now manifested externally. Choices you make in the way the world shows up for you, because there is a mysterious connection within us and the universe outside of us. If you wish to go in a journey deeper and continue this meditation, or if you feel complete, then you can slowly open your eyes. Otherwise, try to visualize more, be in the present moment, and let go of all the tensions, fears, any doubts, queries happening in your mind. And slowly, after few deep breaths, you can open your eyes. Thank you and have a great day.